tonight. It's exactly 3 in the morning, and this is our judges. Mr.
Kaloy Palaboy of Ampon.
Large fries. Large fries.
Loser.
And the rapper we have on the left is...
That's right.
Double cheeseburger. Double
Copy,
D, double
copy.
D, double D.
Double D.
Double D. And
Boneless chicken wings.
Polish chicken wings. And
I gave you that name, yo. You better be proud of me.
Yo, shut the fuck.
There you go.
we're gonna get it on tonight. This is my birthday. I'm Charles. Let's get it on. Where's the coin?
Here.
Coin toss.
Heads. Heads. Me first?
Choose which one
You want to
go
go
first.
I guess it's me first.
You have 30 seconds.
So it's what's your name again?
Double D,
Double
double
D.
D.
So it's
Double
D.
damage.
So double D.
Double damage for this shit.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You have 30 seconds.
Hoy, palito, ang laki ng Adam's apple mo. Ano ba ang nangyari sa Adam's apple? Mukha kang nakalulon ng triple chicken, boneless chicken shit. I don't know.
Durog.
Ako'y lasing pero ikay paleng. Kapag ako'y tinira mo, wala kang mapapala sapagkat ikaw ay, I don't know.
Kulang po!
Bonus chicken wings turn out.
Okay, tol. Tingin mo, sabi mo wala talaga ako mapapala. Totoo yun. Tignan mo ako, hindi ako nice. Ikaw, mukha kang splice. Bigyan nyo ng beer to, baka mabulunan. Kakainin lang kita, parang balon-balunan. Mga salitang naiipit sa iyong lalamunan. Charles, bigyan mo na ng unan to. Pahigayin mo na, bigyan mo ng unan.
Noy.
Time.
Time. Okay. It's time for the second round.
Talo na to. Si Noy.
Marahil ako ay lasing pero kaya ko pang bumili. Ang aking flow ay laging swabe para bang si Rico Suave.
Sino yun? Sino yun?
Naligaw.
One more.
Boneless chicken wings, it just fits your... I don't know. Yo, fuck
Wala.
this shit. I don't know what to say. I quit.
Oh. Ano masasabi mo? Judge.
Bibigyan kita ng round 2. Dito ka.
Oh,
Dito ka, bibigyan kita ng round
No, I quit.
Okay. Bonus chicken wings turn.
Wala akong maisip.
Here we go.
Message mo kay Double D.
To, last game na to, di ba? Matulog na tayo. May basketball pa tayo, kailangan natin si Noy. Tamang-tama, kailangan natin ng water boy. Judge.
Pare, kitang-kita kay...
Bangas na bangas, durog na durog, baon na baon.
Oh, bonus chicken wings ako, pare.
Pare! Tol, binaon to!
Binaon si Waterboy. Binaon.
Personally,
Yo, that's every...
Diligan na si Splice.
I get so much respect with
Yo,
this
shut the
guy
fuck
that I
up, yo.
stand up with tonight. Like, you know, it's been a pleasure and all this shit, yo.
Kahawon pa kasi.
Loser.
Like, I gotta say this, man. This guy's the shit.
Shake hands kay
You got some
Waterboy.
balls to
Shake hands.
stand up.
Shake
on
hands.
Water boy.
Hug.
Tubig namin ha.
Hug. Kiss.
Okay, that's
Alright,
everything
that's
for
it.
tonight.
That's
It
it.
was a good
Everyone.
battle, but boneless chicken wings dominated them all.
0.
So that's everything for tonight. Peace out.
Easy.